Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is March 27th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest financial results from Acumen Pharmaceuticals, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on Alzheimer's disease treatment. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Acumen Pharmaceuticals has been making significant strides in Alzheimer's research, and their latest financial report provides some interesting insights into their progress and financial health.
Financial Performance Overview. Let's start with the financial performance. Acumen reported a net loss of $102.3 million for 2024. Can you break down the key financial metrics for us, John?
Certainly. The net loss is primarily driven by increased research and development expenses, which rose to $93.8 million as Acumen ramped up its clinical trials, particularly the Altitude-AD study. Despite the loss, the company maintains a strong cash position of $231.5 million, which is expected to support their operations into the first half of 2027.
That's quite a runway. How does this position them for future developments?
It provides them with the financial flexibility to continue their clinical trials and potentially bring their novel Alzheimer's treatment to market, which could be transformative for the company.
Clinical development and strategic initiatives. Acumen has been busy on the clinical front. Can you tell us about their recent developments?
Absolutely. Acumen completed enrollment for their Phase 2 Altitude-AD study ahead of schedule, which is a significant milestone. They also reported positive top-line results from a Phase 1 study on a subcutaneous formulation of their drug, sabirnetug, which supports further development of this dosing option. They're expecting top-line results from the Phase 2 study in late 2026.
How important are these developments for Acumen's future?
These developments are crucial. They not only demonstrate progress in their clinical pipeline, but also enhance the potential marketability of their treatment by offering more convenient dosing options for patients.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 47 cents, but Acumen reported an actual EPS of 71 cents. What does this discrepancy tell us?
This significant miss indicates that the company's expenses, particularly in R&D, were higher than anticipated. While this might raise concerns, it's important to consider that these expenses are investments in their clinical trials, which are critical for their long-term success.
So should investors be worried about this EPS miss?
While the miss is notable, investors should focus on the potential of Acumen's clinical developments. If their trials succeed, the long-term benefits could outweigh the short-term financial setbacks.
CEO's vision and future outlook. What insights did CEO Daniel O'Connell provide about the company's future?
Daniel O'Connell expressed pride in the progress made and emphasized the transformative opportunity Acumen has in redefining Alzheimer's treatment. He highlighted their focus on disciplined execution and continuous innovation, positioning Acumen to deliver a differentiated treatment option.
How does this align with their current strategy?
It aligns well. Their strategy is centered around advancing their clinical trials and developing innovative treatment options, which are key to achieving their long-term goals.
Key takeaways. In summary, Acumen Pharmaceuticals is making significant progress in its clinical trials, despite a challenging financial performance. Their strong cash position and strategic focus on Alzheimer's treatment provide a promising outlook. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's an exciting time for Acumen, and I'm looking forward to seeing how their developments unfold.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Acumen's performance in the comments below.